first thing first, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and julienne some white onion. Guys, just like that. Then I have some bell pepper here of various colors. Okay, guys. Okay, so now I'm gonna julienne my bell peppers also. Guys, see the nice combination of color. Nice. Guys, and I will be adding 2 franks. So I'm just gonna cut the franks. I want my frankfurters to be obvious, so I'm not cutting them small. Okay, guys, I'm gonna put a frying pan on the fire to get hot so I can saute these gorgeous things. Yeah, man. Okay, guys, so I have my frying pan on the fire getting hot, and I will be adding some butter inside. Alright, guys, now that my frying pan is hot, I'm gonna add my julienne vegetables. I'm gonna saute over medium heat. flakes. So guys, at this moment, this is where I'm gonna add my franks. I'm gonna allow this to saute for about a minute or so. I won't be adding any salt because my baked bean is already cooked. It's the baked bean from the can. And you all know already that most of these franks are already salty. So guys, I'll be adding in my baked bean. And this baked bean don't need any additional cooking, so I'm just getting it hot. Alright guys, I'm gonna turn off the flame from this.